Baseus Bipow 10,000 mAh Powerbank. Comes in a simple package. 6 months of distributor warranty. The key features are mentioned on the packet. Now, let's see inside. The package contains a micro USB cable and the power bank. I bought the blue color. You will get it in 4 different colors. Some paperwork, a thank you note, some stickers from Baseus, warranty card, and the manual. These aside. Now, let's move to the power bank. Built on the front side, 18 watt as mentioned, which actually looks nice. On the top, you get a USB input port, a Type-C, two-way port, a micro USB input port and charge indicator. On the bottom, branding of Baseus, and battery capacity. On the back side, capacity, and some key features are mentioned. On the right side, you get a power button. One press, to power on, and double press, to power off. Length is 137 mm or 5.3 inches. Width is 67 mm or 2.6 inches. Thickness is only 16 mm or 0.63 inches. It is easy to carry. You see the size when we keep it aside Mah 2, which is 6 inches in length. This power bank has a body of plastic, but the build quality is excellent. The build is compact. Nothing less, but no excessiveness. The outer part of this power bank has fine feather-like texture, which feels so smooth and grippy. You already know, this power bank has a capacity of 10,000 mAh, and the rated capacity is 5,700 mAh. That means, you will get a backup of 5,700 mAh. You can charge Redmi K20 Pro, which has a 4,000 mAh battery, fully for the first time, and up to 40% the second time. It has 18 watt of dual port, fast charging. It supports QC3, PD3, FCP, AFC, and other protocols of fast charging. You will get fast charging support in both the USB port and Type-C port. If you want to use the Type-C port, you will have to use a Type-C to USB converter or OTG cable. Powerbank itself also supports fast charging. I counted the charging time, which took almost 4 hours. Baseus also claims the same. It takes some time to reach the maximum speed of 18 watt. It took 75 to 80 minutes to charge my Mi 90 from 0 to 100%. Now, some common questions: if my phone doesn't support fast charging, will it damage my phone? The answer is no. This power bank comes with a smart chip, which will only supply the right amount of current. How long will it last? Well, I am using this for a long time. I have not encountered any problem till now. There is a confusion that it has one USB port, then how is it a dual output power bank? Actually, the Type-C port works as both input and output. In fact, you will also get fast charging. From my point of view, I highly recommend this power bank. Check out the power bank from the link in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.